In this video, we will learn about AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. What if anyone could access, modify, or delete anything without permission? Critical data could be lost, systems could break, and sensitive information could fall into the wrong hands. This is the risk of uncontrolled access in your AWS cloud. This is where AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, comes to the rescue. Think of IAM as the ultimate security guard for your entire AWS environment. IAM's fundamental purpose is to secure and control who can do what, where, and when within your AWS environment. It's all about precision control over access. Let's start with the who in our access control system. Identities. These are the entities that need to interact with your AWS resources. First, we have IAM users. These represent individual people or applications that need permanent access to your AWS account. Next are IAM groups. Instead of managing permissions for each user individually, you can assign users to groups. Think of it like a department in our warehouse. Now for the what. Policies. These are the rule books that define exactly what actions an identity can or cannot perform on which resources. Now comes the when part. When an identity tries to access a resource, IAM performs a two-step check. First, authentication verifies who you are. Second, authorization checks what you're allowed to do based on your policies. Finally, the what part. AWS provides various tools to manage IAM effectively. You can use the AWS Management Console for a visual interface, the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, for scripting, or software development kits, SDKs, for programmatic access. In summary, IAM is truly indispensable for managing identities and permissions in AWS. It allows you to design secure access controls that protect your resources while enabling appropriate user and service access.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.